Hello. I am pleased to welcome you to the first introductory lesson on the module Mechanica, where we will cover the basics of operation and interface setup. Let's start by launching the Mechanica module. It can be started from a separate icon on the desktop or through the Start menu. On the left, we have functional panels. In most cases, they display certain information about the open document, selected objects, change history, and so on, and allow you to modify these parameters, apply certain actions or commands to them. Their location can be customized by simply dragging and dropping. I'm used to seeing the Properties panel on the right, so I'll just move it to the desired place. If the size of the graphics window is critical for you, you can leave the Properties on the left. In this regard, there is no universal solution. It all depends on your preferences. If you accidentally closed a panel, you can reopen it through the Manage tab. Click on the Properties icon, and our panel reappears. Or through the command line by typing its name, Properties, and pressing Enter. Also, customizing the interface will help simplify or even eliminate moving between the command panel tabs. In the Manage tab, we expand the menu under the Interface icon and choose Toolbars. A window opens where we can choose which tools to bring out for quick access. For example, let's select Multileader. As we can see, it has appeared in the middle of the screen. Here we can also change the size of the icons for convenience or enable labels for commands if necessary. I'll turn off the labels and close the toolbar. After placing it, this panel can be moved to any convenient location for us. For example, at the top, left, or right, or left floating over the graphics window. Now let's move to the Mechanica tab. We will spend most of the course studying and working with the commands located on this tab. Surprisingly, the tab becomes available with the presence of the Mechanica module. Also, the Mechanica module has synergy with the 3D module, in that if you have both modules, sheet modeling becomes available on the 3D Tools tab. More details about this are provided in the 3D modeling training courses. To display or hide a desired tab in the ribbon interface, right-click on the tabs and select the required one in the drop-down menu Show Tabs. For example, let's hide the MechWizard tab. We won't need it right now. Thus, we can easily customize the interface to our needs, so no unnecessary tabs interfere. Returning to the Mechanica tab, as we see, the commands are grouped into categories such as title blocks, part list, symbols, design, and so on. Each group includes a set of commands, grouped according to their logic or principles of action. For each group, the most useful functions are selected by default, but if necessary, the ribbon can also be customized. With this, the first introductory lesson comes to an end. In the following lessons, we will delve into each of these groups in more detail. When you're ready, move on to the next lesson. Thank you for your attention.